Welcome JTHS families! The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use the Home Access Center, or HAC. HAC is an online tool designed to help parents, students, and teachers stay connected with classroom information and student results. Through HAC, parents and students can view scheduling, attendance, assignments, grade information, progress reports, and discipline as soon as it's entered by teachers and administrators. Now let's get started on reviewing HAC. First of all, you'll need to have an email on file with the school in order to log in. If you need to register or update an email, please contact your student's school registrar through the phone numbers provided on the screen. To start using HAC, visit Joliet Township High School's main homepage at www.jths.org. Then, click on Home Access Center. We recommend changing your password after your first login. To change your password, click on your name on the top right corner of the page, and then click My Account. You'll then be able to enter a new password of your choice. On HAC's homepage, the student's current grade average in each class is displayed for the week. You may click on each percentage under Current Average for a detailed grade report, including assignments and categories. Also on HAC's homepage, you may click on each course title under Class for course information and comments from the teacher. The homepage also shows any upcoming assignments due for the week. You may also review student attendance. This is in a calendar format. Place your mouse cursor over any day that's colored in, and you'll see the attendance codes put in for that day. The next tab is the Classes tab. This will break down each class by assignments. You can see what assignments have been given and how many points they've received for each assignment. The next tab is the Grades tab. Here you'll find the list of classes, teacher names, and letter grades for each class. This is the page to visit to view progress reports. You may also set up alerts to get a notification for attendance and grades. Click on your name in the upper right-hand corner and then click on My Alerts. Put a check on the boxes you'd like to receive alerts for. For questions or assistance, please contact our HAC Help Desk. Thank you and have a great day.